Edappadi Karuppa Palaniswami, popularly known as E.P.S, is an Indian politician who was the 7th Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu.He is the joint coordinator of the All India Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. Having won 2011 assembly elections, he served as the Minister of Highways and Minor Ports since 16 May 2011 for the government of Tamil Nadu. After 2016 assembly elections victory, he was given the additional responsibility of Ministry of Public Works by Jayalalithaa and later went on to become the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu on 16 February 2017. In the 1998 election he was elected as Member of Parliament, representing Tiruchengodu constituency in the 12th Lok Sabha.He will leave office on 7 May 2021 from the office of Chief Minister following 2021 assembly elections loss. Palaniswami was born on 12 May 1954 to Karuppa Gounder and Thavasayamal at Saluvampalayam, Salem, Madras State, India. His parents were farmers. After completing school, he enrolled for BSc degree in Sri Vasavi College but did not graduate. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.